Hey guys, Rob here. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how I keep spam comments away from my blog. We all know how hard it is to deal with spam comments, especially when you start having traffic. Your blog gets targeted by automated bots and other spam commenters looking to get a link from your site. I battled with having to clean out my spam box from thousands of comments, and my solution came when I found this plugin called Spam Destroyer. And as you can see, it has relatively good feedback rating, and it's unobtrusive. It doesn't disturb my site at all, and it's very lightweight. So to do this, you simply go into your dashboard, you go to plugins, add new, and then you land on this page. You can search for Spam Destroyer, and it should pop up here. So simply what you do, since I already have it installed, it doesn't give me the possibility to press this button here to have it installed, and then you activate it, and that's it. So whenever this symbol here lights up on your website, you know that you have an original comment that has been verified not to be spam. Obviously, if you don't have many visitors to your website leaving comments, then it becomes quite lonely, as you know how it feels when you had spam comments coming in and you hoped that one of those spam comments was something real. But once this plugin is installed, whenever this lights up, it's a guaranteed, almost guaranteed original comment. So I hope this helps, and take care. Watch out for my new videos I will be uploading soon. Have a nice day or night.